By Slingshot, we all can imagine a toy with some projectiles made out of clay, right? But in the right hands, these mere toys turn into a tool for survival, self-defense, and even hunting. Today, we'll showcase how these slingshots for survival and self-defense are awesome. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Axiom X isn't something like those regular slingshots you've seen till now. Then what is it? Well, it is a slingshot, but with a tunable form factor, which means it can be adjusted to fit just the right dimension anyone wants. Straightforward design of its simple shot frame reflects simplicity, while its top-notch ergonomics let anyone hit the bullseye with maximum comfort. Flexibility, preciseness, and durability. Everything comes together with this Axiom X. We've bet you've known Tops Knives for their higher quality knives and machetes. No exception with this mini sling, a reliable slingshot that works like a charm for survival. With an overall length of 3.5 inches, this slingshot has a subtle design. The ergonomic handle of this slingshot is made of tan canvas micarta with black powder-coated steel prongs, making it sturdy enough for those rough uses. Then comes the addition of a quality leather sheath, which can be super handy for carrying this. Another one from Simple Shot, but this time it's the Torq X, a simpler one that's potent enough to back anyone in a challenging situation. An ambidextrous, asymmetrical design makes this one unique, while its compactness makes it a great one for concealed carry. Besides its minimal design, the Torq X features a tie-in method to install its flexible band. Meet the KBar Sweet Move, a tactical and affordable one to handle any self-defending or survival situation. Design of this slingshot looks kinda similar to any KBar knives, while its polymer build makes it more durable for more demanding jobs. With its perfectly flexible rubber band and a leather pouch, this slingshot packs just the right value for your money. Next up, we have this Sling Pop from Brinley Designs, a durable one forged to serve during any unfavorable situation. Design and ergonomics of this Sling Pop were made precisely to pull off the best performance, while its handle stays perfectly stable when its user takes a shot. The smartly designed handle also features a bottle opener to pop that bottle open when needed. Looking for a classic one to carry? Then give this Hella slingshot a try. Beautifully crafted from forked tree branches, each of their handmade slingshots is unique and boasts a clean and smooth finish. Then comes its natural latex tube band with a leather pouch attachment, making it more precise when shooting during a problematic condition. So, add a little bit of classiness to your survival tool collection with this Hella slingshot. Embrace simplicity and practicality with this hunting door slingshot, a user-friendly one to make anyone survive through the worst. Unlike most other slingshots, this one has a rugged stainless steel frame with unique curvature, making it comfortable to hold. In addition, a straightforward band installation method makes it more user-friendly. And speaking of band, its flat band is durable and flexible enough to generate a tremendous kinetic force when needed. This is the Hammer XT from Simple Shot, a mighty one that's not just a slingshot, but a whole platform. Featuring multiple interchangeable slingshot heads, this slingshot includes multiple handles with a wrist brace for a stable performance. Then comes its XT Slingbow head, which can tactically launch arrows in a range with maximum kinetic energy. Who knew that slingshots would be so advanced one day? So, that was how these slingshots for survival and self-defense are awesome. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.